first medical last year.
If you have extra pen, guys,
At the Region 2 Trauma and Medical Center and sa COVID-19 department. Dr. Ray, and we just have been together. Will also start my own medical journey, and hopefully for our brothers from India can have a glimpse and get some inspiration. But not so much, even during my time. When I came into college,
gusto ko yan.
I enrolled in the Philippines. There's still a course. My college was BS. On the window, looking back at you down. I have gone their place also. Now, I am here.
Kumain ka na.
And so this journey of us, Dr. Vizcaya. Again,
Hindi pa ako makakuha ng
my last
presence during the PMT Medicine Night held in celebration of Medicine Week, May 2025 at PMT College of Medicine. Your participation is greatly contributed to the success of this memorable event, fostering unity, camaraderie, and a spirit of celebration with as part of our MSc advisorship as well. He has been helping us throughout our activities and of course some of the process throughout the MSc's team. So once again, congratulations. To heal, to serve, and to pray. Grant us the strength for the journey ahead, compassion in our practice, and kindness in our hearts.
Mr. Peter Paribhorana, Director of College, Mr.